Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I am going to be doing something a little different and using a voiceover for my video. Here I start out by cleaning my desk. In this bottle I simply put a quarter vinegar and then water to the top. And I recently bought a new cable management, which I want to show you guys how clean it makes your desk. Before I put that on, I wanted to make sure I clean my keyboard, my mouse, and my laptop. I think it's so important to have a clean space because it helps you focus and concentrate on the things that you are doing. Here I am just putting back all of my items once they're clean. I also made sure to clean all the little things that I use often, like my coaster, my mouse, and my mouse pad. Then I went ahead and put everything back, including my headphones, my hand lotion, and my water bottle because it helps me drink water if I have it close to me. And then this is what it all looked like. And then this is the cable management tray that I purchased from Amazon. I will link it below. I went with the white color, but they also have it in black. And it was so easy to put together. Really, there was barely anything that I had to do other than clip it onto my desk underneath. And this is what it looked like. And now I am going to be doing a slick bun. This day was really hot and I decided to put my hair up. I recently purchased this new leave-in conditioner that is going to help me do this style. And it just leaves your hair really soft and manageable. I'm trying to be careful not to get my face, and also I don't do the top of my head just because I don't want my hair to get too oily. This cream that I'm using here is just going to help me with any frizz. It helps just kind of get my hair wet to put it up. Then with this little comb, it helps me get my hair in a straight line. I'm going to first section this part forward and clip it. It helps kind of section your hair when you put it up in a slick bun. And it also really helps you keep that middle part. I'm going to use this new hair wax that I'm trying out for this style. I think it really works. It helps with the little frizziness and little hairs that just want to always stick up, and the overall style. So now I am putting back those two little front sections that I mentioned, and it keeps that little part in the middle. So this is why I like to do that. Now I'm going to focus on the actual ponytail, and by putting a little bit more cream, this just helps the bun be very slick and very pretty. What I like to do is twist both sections away from my face. So I twist, and then I wrap it around. As you can see, I wrap it one more time, and I just keep twisting the same way, away from my face. I hold on to it and I put on either just bobby pins or an actual band, whatever you want to use. And this is what it looks like. little later this day, I decided to wash my hair and use this new product, Gisou. It's a leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to be using that and letting my hair air dry. When I put it on, I focus on putting it specifically on the middle part of my hair and working my way down towards my ends. That way I can prevent any split ends. I try to section my hair into 2 sections. That way I can focus on one side and then focus on the other side. And then once I have the product in my hair, I just distribute it around with my fingers. For my skin, I have been loving this toner. It is so refreshing, especially in the summer. And then I have been loving this eye cream. You may have seen me use it in my other videos. It has retinol as well, which is a plus. And then I like to use this retinol by The Ordinary. I keep it in the refrigerator as well when I'm done using it. And then here I'm just using a thick moisturizer. Nothing crazy, it's just from Target, but it is amazing. Hey guys, I'm here at Whole Foods gonna pick up a little bit of lunch. It is so hot outside. I think it's like 95, so excuse my oily face. I am gonna go see what they have inside. Maybe I'll get some kombucha and sushi or something. But yeah, I'll bring you guys along. Okay guys, I got these chips that I want to try. Coconut water. I got a yogurt. I got the vanilla flavor. I've never had this before. And then I've had this before and I really like it. It's a healthy version of Reese's Cups. So now I'm going to just head home and have some lunch. It's not the healthiest, but it's too hot to cook and they didn't have any other options in there, sadly. Alright, see you guys then. Hi guys, I am driving back home now. I'm really hot. It's a really hot day, so I picked this up and it's so refreshing. So next time I'm at Costco, I'm going to get a big pack of these because they're so good. I wanted to show you guys my new cup that I bought for my matchas. This is part of my Anthropologie order and it is so cute. It has little blue hearts all around. It's made of a thick glass, so I love it so much. I also wanted to show you guys my new nail polishes that I got from them. This is the prettiest pink color I've ever seen. It is so pretty. And then I use a clear coat on top. And then this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog.